Ever wonder why we get hiccups? Let me explain, and it's kind of funny. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscles that helps you breathe, suddenly spasms. This spasm makes your vocal cords snap shut quickly, and that's the hic sound you hear. Common triggers are eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, laughing too hard, or even sudden temperature changes in your stomach. Most hiccups are harmless and go away on their own, but they sure can be annoying. Some people try holding their breath or drinking water, all to reset the diaphragm. Trust me, it works. So the next time you hiccup, just remember your body is alive and a little dramatic. Please like, share, and follow for quick, weird but true health facts. Bye.